Today I have a SP laserjet P1102 printer, and this is the Wi-Fi printer, and this printer problem is paper jam problem. And this printer sometimes missing the pickup in the paper. Okay, and this is the pickup roller, and today I'll fix this without changing this pickup roller. Okay, let's open it. Okay, here is a lock, and just place this here. One side is open, this is open, and you can see this, and this side and this side. This side is very rough and this side is sleepy. Okay, and if you have a new pickup roller, definitely you should be changed, and if you don't have, you just rotate this side and this area, replace this area with this. After opening, and you can see this side is very rough and this side is very smooth. Okay, you just rotate this here. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Okay, that is okay. Just setting it. This is very easy to fitting, and you just hold this here. Okay, this is it. All is up. And press and hold the cancel button for a few times. Yes, is take a command, and just take it. And this one is printed, and another one also. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.